Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So these two fools were bugging me today to still come to the farm, even though I thought it was a great day to play hooky. But I did want to hop on here and let you guys know I did start snapdragons yesterday. I just put a short 45-second video up because it's all seed starting, and I feel once you start a few seeds, you pretty much start them all. I can see snow hitting the lens, so I have a feeling this is gonna get blurry. I do have a video on my whole seed starting setup, and I have a whole video on how I start seeds, and I either put them on top of the soil because they need light to germinate, or I don't. I don't ever know if they just love it when it's cold because they're normally hot, or if they're running faster because they want to get home sooner. But they don't seem to mind that. They still do their sniffing. Callie's ready to get around the loop, I think. But man, they were after me today. They always look so much happier when it's cold out. I don't understand that because, I don't know. Maybe it's their little fur coats or something. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Yesterday I started snapdragons, but today I'm going to be starting Heuchera. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. I tried it last year. I don't think I watered it enough and it got too dry. Maybe I'll put it in some areas like this around these oak trees where it has some shade. But I'm just going to start a tray of it. That way I have it, and if I want to tuck it in places. I have a lot of shrubs and stuff I'm planting this year, and it might be a nice little ground cover around them. Maybe it will control some of the weeds. So I think I'll plant some Heuchera. I have some blue sea holly. I'm going to try that method I did with the bells of Ireland and put it in the fridge for a week. And then take it out and put it on heat mats. Last year I tried to grow it and I didn't have much luck. So I'm thinking maybe that would help. And then I also have some plants that a friend gifted me. So I have those already in the field. So if they don't come up, I do have some. What else? I need to take the Delphinium out of the refrigerator today and put them on the heat mat and see if they will germinate. I did peek at them, the ones on the heat mat, and they have not germinated, just getting wet and laying on the heat mat. Kind of pretty the way the trees are holding the snow. It's always pretty right when it snows, but we're over it. Spring is supposed to be in 11 days. We don't need any more snow. Look at the ducks. We need it to be nice. I saw my tulips poking out of the ground. I don't know what this will do to them, but I guess I'll find out. They're way ahead today. Sorry, I got sidetracked. And then I have 2 trays of Craspedia, the yellow sun ball flower that I'm going to start today. I know the lights are hideous in here, but Craspedia. And if you notice here, it has an 89% germination rate. So these are 72 cells. So I'll just double up some of them and put a packet in each tray. gonna put a label in and just put them on top. It does say to put a little bit of vermiculite on top. I don't always do that, so I might just put them on top. Let's see how it goes. And I think that's about it. Don't they just look like they're having so much fun? I can't tell. Maybe they just want to get around here quick. Here's some footage of the snow on top of stuff. It is beautiful, but I'm over it. Coco, did you, Bubby? Goo. I don't know if I should like run with them, but now I know I'll be squinting because I'm walking right into the snow. This is a crazy day. But anyway, that's my update for today on the flower farm. I hope you all have a great day, and I hope to see you in the next one.